Today, a jury in Tacoma heard recorded comments from a police officer charged in connection with the death of Manuel Ellis. Ellis died in March of 2020 while being detained. Officers Matthew Collins and Christopher Burbank face second-degree murder and manslaughter charges. Officer Timothy Rankine is charged with manslaughter. Tacoma Bureau Chief Lionel Donovan joining us live with what happened in court today. Lionel.
Good afternoon, Joyce. Well, today the court heard an audio interview from Officer Rankine about the events of the incident as he saw it, including what happened when Rankine and his fellow officers held Ellis down. Lieutenant Byron Brockway of the Pierce County Sheriff's Department conducted the interview with Rankine the night of Ellis's arrest. The lieutenant says he received the call about the arrest a little after midnight on March 4th. When he arrived, he was tasked with reaching out to Officer Rankine to find out what happened that night.
One of the things I thought was really weird was the first time I actually heard this subject even speak, and the first thing he said to me was, I can't breathe, I can't breathe. But he said it in a very, not in a distressed voice, in almost a very calm, normal voice, which I thought was super weird. I remember telling the individual, I was like, if you're talking to me, you can breathe just fine.
Now, court is in recess for the rest of the week and it will resume on Monday morning at 9 a.m. Joyce?
The cardiologist the prosecution called to look over the case called into question the testimony of the paramedic who treated Ellis that night. Explain that for us.
Yes, it involved Ellis's pulse, which was a major point that the defense tried to get to the bottom of. On Tuesday, Lieutenant Nicholas Wilson of the Tacoma Fire Department testified that he detected a weak pulse when he examined Ellis on the night of his arrest. However, Dr. Wogelernter says that doesn't line up with Wilson's 2021 statements, where he said that he did not detect a pulse, although he did say that Ellis's heart had some electrical activity. Now, the doctor went on to say that he wasn't trying to insinuate that any kind of misbehavior was going on. He was just saying that Lieutenant Wilson's statements on Tuesday do not line up with the statements that he made a few years ago, closer to when the event took place. But for now, we're live at the Pierce County Courthouse. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.